Good morning guys, welcome to Netaji Vlogs. Now we are doing a fish vlog in Hyderabad, Ramnagar with Vishwanath, Devrapalli These are the most costliest fishes in the world here available in Ramnagar. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. What is the vlog name, Vishwanath? What is the YouTube name? Sorry.
World famous vlog.
World famous vlog. Subscribe to World famous vlog. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Like. You can see here the most dangerous fish in the world. Guys, 1 minute. There is so much traffic here. It is difficult to get out from here, but Vishwanath is trying his level best to go out from here. Vishwanath, how are you feeling? How are you feeling, Vishwanath?
బయటికి వచ్చినాక చెప్తారా బట్ బయటికి వచ్చినాక ఏ ఆగబే.
Finally, we came out from the most difficult part. See, you can see here the long fishes, large fishes. These are the carps. Finally, we got the parking spot here. Vishwanath is very good driver. Vishwanath, how did you feel to drive in this difficult traffic, Vishwanath?
Most difficult driving I have ever driven.
Okay. This is how you are feeling right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Rider
Then we'll
routine.
proceed to our vlog, fish vlog. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yes, wait 2 minutes.
Are you excited or not, Vishwanath?
So much excited.
Okay then. Like guys, we are continuing our vlog.
4:15. Guys,
Vishwanath, tell hi to our subscribers.
hi guys, wear mask. Be safe. Okay, Omicron is coming.
Yeah.
It already came. Sorry.
Yes guys, please be wear mask. These are the small fish containers, guys. You can see how the traffic is here. And this is a Sunday weekend. Most people want to be in our vlog, but we don't have, but we are not giving chance to them because it's very special vlog.
World famous vloggers.
Yes,
Yeah,
so-
both are world famous vloggers.
Guys, these are the fishes.
మూడు కావాలని చెప్పిన
These are the most scary crabs.
క్రాప్స్ రావి
Crabs, sorry, it's crabs seems. These are the fishes. These are
These
tuna
are-
fishes, huh?
క్యావియర్ ఎగ్స్ ఫిషెస్.
Caviar X fishes, okay, bro. Oh fuck! This is fucking scary.
They both are fucking each other. What is this?
These are the different kind of fishes. You can see here. These are the ice fishes, which are from the Antarctica, I think so. This what is 70 rupal, Vishwanath?
₹70 means
Means
lots of money.
how much?
You know, in India, lot like money.
See, you can see here the live fish, living fish. This one we brought. It's 2,500, I think so. $2,500. Yeah, guys, you can see here the fish. Water. Nikhil used to say water. These are the golden
These are golden
fishes.
fishes. They painted black color.
Yeah.
That's why the belly are red color. Chapa boarding.
How much is it kg?
I think $3,000.
$3,000. Oh, very cheap, I think so. It's from like these are sharks.
Special life for fish cutting.
Yeah. 500. Like, do you like the smell of the fishes, Vishwanath?
No. I
Do you
don't
like fish?
I
Do you like
fish.
eating fish?
Yes,
But you
I
don't
like.
like the smell of the fish?
No.
That's bullshit.
Yeah, that's
Bullocks.
really bullshit.
Bullocks. I will show you the largest fish in the world. We are in the Antarctica fish market, I think so. These are all the most largest fishes, aquarium fishes.
That's tuna.
Which one is tuna?
Big one is tuna.
Okay, big small ones are.
Aquarium fish is goldfish, blackfish, redfish.
Guys, you can see here, you can see the crowd for the fishes. These are the world famous fishes here.
You can find every fish, whatever fish you like. Tuna, butcha.
These are some of Indians are living here. You can see.
$90 it's $90.
Shunat, do you like to buy the fish?
No, sorry, I don't like.
You don't like to buy the fish. You want to see some crabs?
Yeah, crabs.
Crabs, sorry.
Not crabs.
Okay, it's crabs. It's my bad. Sorry, guys. What is shrimp, Shunat?
Shrimps, prawns.
Small prawns, I think so. Yeah, these are called the shrimps. Those are called the shrimps. What are they called?
They're called.
These are the prawns here.
They are shrimps. They are prawns.
These are the.
These are shrimps.
Okay.
These are prawns.
Which one do you like? Which one do you want to take?
I like both of them.
You like both of them. Okay, then we'll take the $20 this one. We'll take $50 that one. Okay. We can cook together.
Anna, pack them.
Yeah. Okay. These are the different kind of
These
fishes.
are eel fishes.
Oh yeah. These are the Christmas special, I think so.
Anna, try na.
We completed our the most 100K subscriber vlog. What happened, bro? We are the, please subscribe. We are the most famous here. You can see, you can follow us on Instagram, YouTube. This is Vishwa DLX and this is Netaji Andavaram signing off.